Massagegun screen display error. How to fix. 1. Screen blackout and failure to light up. Common causes. 1. Complete battery depletion. 2. Loose or disconnected screen cable. 3. Failure of the screen power supply module. Solutions. 1. Connect the original charger and charge for more than 30 minutes before turning it on for testing. 2. If there is still no response after charging, stop using it and contact after-sales service to inspect the cable. 3. Faulty power supply modules need to be repaired or replaced by professionals. 2. Screen flickering, screen discoloration. Common causes. 1. Poor screen contact caused by severe impact on the device. 2. High, low, ambient temperature affecting display stability. Solutions. 1. Turn off the power, let it stand for 10 minutes, and then restart. If it has been impacted, contact after-sales service to check the cable interface. To avoid using it in extreme temperatures below 0 摄氏度 or above 40, and retry after the device returns to normal temperature. 3. Garbled display, character disorder. Common causes. 1. Firmware program stuck or outdated version. 2. Abnormal data transmission of the control circuit board. Solutions. 1. Long press the power button to shut down and restart. If firmware upgrade is supported, update to the latest version through official channels. 2. If restarting is ineffective, contact after-sales service to inspect the circuit board. 4. Error code display, for example, E1, E2. Common causes. 1. Corresponding body component failures such as motor overload, battery abnormality. 2. Sensor signal transmission failure. Solutions. 1. Refer to the product manual to troubleshoot corresponding problems according to the error code. For example, E1 is mostly motor jamming, which can be tried again after cleaning motor dust. 2. If the code cannot be eliminated, contact after-sales service for professional testing. 5. Screen touch failure touchscreen model. Common causes. 1. Oil water stains on the screen surface. 2. Damage to the touch layer hardware. Solutions. 1. Wipe the screen surface with a clean soft cloth dipped in a small amount of clean water and test after drying. 2. If the touch function is still ineffective after wiping, contact after-sales service to replace the touchscreen.